much.
It's time to meet our next patient.
It's another one of our favourites.
Here he is. In Manchester, 7-year-old Tyler has come in with his great-gran. What have you done, Tyler?
I burnt my hand.
You burnt your hand. Oh, dear.
It's a bit painful.
The burn has been wrapped in cling film by a nurse to protect it. But how did it happen, Tyler?
I was trying to make myself a brew.
Ah, a cup of tea. 2 sugars, please.
I really, really like brews. I love dunking biscuits in there, and my favourite biscuit is custard cream.
Nice one, Tyler. Sounds yummy.
In fact, Xand, it's that custard cream craving that got him into this mess in the first place. Tyler is a big tea drinker.
Ooh, me too.
He loves nothing more than putting his feet up with a brew and dunking his custard creams in it.
Ooh, me too.
Because Tyler's only 7, he asked his big brother James to fix him a cuppa. But James said no.
Brotherly love, eh?
So Tyler set about making his own cup of tea. But the kettle was full and heavy. As Tyler poured, the kettle slipped and the boiling water went all over his hand.
Ouch! Here's Dr. Chucks Nawalia to take a look at that painful palm.
Hello Tyler, how are you?
I'm alright.
So what's been happening to you today?
I've burnt myself.
Okay, can you feel any pains or tingling on your hands, like pins?
Yeah.
And where are you feeling it?
In my thumb.
Can you feel me touching you? You can feel it, okay?
Your skin is made up of layers of skin cells, fat, tissue, and blood vessels. When you burn or scald yourself, the deeper these layers get damaged, the worse the burn will be. More minor burns only affect the top layer, and that's what's happened to Tyler's hand.
But it still hurts.
Tyler's lucky he had a minor burn. He just needs some painkillers, anti-inflammatories. He's gonna be fine.
That's great news. Now it's over to Nurse Samira to give the burn a good clean with sterile water before dressing it.
Alright, so you need to keep this clean and dry, okay?
Yep.
Now you've got your digits dressed, I've got another burning question for you, Tyler. What was the worst bit about today?
I've not had a brew.
Ah, never mind. Let's hope your brother's got the kettle on and that he's stocked up on custard creams. Bye!